Hi everyone. Welcome to video number 6 of the Energy and Environment course. Today we will discuss the fossil fuel. It is difficult to perceive today's society without the use of fossil fuels. But what actually is fossil fuel? Fossil fuel is a hydrocarbon-containing material formed naturally in the Earth's crust from the remains of dead plants and animals by exposure to heat and pressure over millions of years. This theory was first introduced by Andreas Libavius in 1597. The first use of the term fossil fuel occurs in the work of the German chemist Caspar Neumann. Around 360 million years ago, the land was covered with swamps, which is a forested wetland having organisms and plants. As they died, they sank at the bottom of swamps and oceans, and over millions of years as a result of anaerobic decomposition under layers of clay, sand, and some other minerals, they were converted into fossil fuel. Different types of fossil fuels are formed because of the combined action of four things. 1. Compression from the weight of the things on it. 2. Microorganism decomposing it. 3. The underground heat. 4. The organic matters that decomposed, plants, animals. These four things transform them into potential fuels. There are three major types of fossil fuels. 1. Coal. 2. Oil. 3. Gas. Coal is formed from various plants under high pressure and heat. Oil is formed from small marine organisms like zooplankton and algae with pressure. Natural gas is formed by the same process of oil, plus more heat and pressure. Today, fossil fuel combustion supplies more than 2/3 of the electricity generated in the world, almost the entire motive power used for transportation, more than 80% of the household energy for heating and cooking, and more than 90% of the energy for industrial processes and products. At the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, coal alone supplied the heat for the operation of steam engines and locomotives. The use of fossil fuels expanded early in the 20th century when liquid petroleum products powered the internal combustion (IC) engines of automobiles, trucks, agricultural tractors, and, later, airplanes. The importance of fossil fuels for modern society and economies is certain, but the combustion of these fuels has also brought significant environmental problems. Chief among these is the CO2 emissions and the associated global climate change (GCC). An additional concern is that the amount of fossil fuels on this planet is finite, and since they are used at rates much higher than their replacement rates, it is expected that at some point in the future, the supply of fossil fuels will be exhausted. Before their depletion, a plan must be developed for the replacement of fossil fuels as the principal energy source. That's it from today's video. If you have learned something new, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.